Hi.
Can you help me name all the colors?
Yes.
Let's start with blue. B-L-U-E. Blue.
Blue.
Hello, JJ.
Hi.
It's blue whale. It's a blue tang fish. Can you tell me what color this is?
Orange.
That's right, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Hello, Yoyo.
Hello everyone, welcome to Yoyo.
Beautiful tiger. An orange fox. Can you tell me the next color?
Pink.
That's right, pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Hi, Cece. Look at these beautiful flamingos. Oh, little cute piglets. Cute. P-U-R-P-L-E. What color is it?
Purple.
Purple, yes. Hello, Bella. Purple, beautiful butterfly. Colorful purple bird. T-E-A-L.
Teal.
Yes, good job. Teal. Hi, Tom Tom. Another beautiful butterfly. Gray-tailed ducks. G-R-E-E-N. The color is?
Green.
Yes, green. Let's see who's gonna be inside. It's Cody.
I just fell and screamed.
Green snake. And a big crocodile. Can you tell me what color is corn and banana?
Yellow.
That's right, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Let's see who's gonna be inside. It's Bingo. It's cute ducklings. And a beautiful tall giraffe. Good job everyone, and I hope to see you again in our next video. Bye!
Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe. Next time you might watch a good one. Yay!